Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. This is MrB, and today's going to be a delicious episode because we're talking about coffee.
Coffee, snacks, and all the English phrases you need when ordering in a real coffee shop. You will survive, you will sound natural, and you will get caffeine. This is very important.
Before we start learning, friends, please...
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support this podcast.
Yes, and hit the bell. Ding, ding. Okay, now we can start. Let's go to the coffee shop together. Scene 1. Walking into the coffee shop. So imagine this. You walk into a cozy coffee shop, warm lights, nice music, the smell of fresh espresso.
And the barista looks at you with a friendly smile and says, "Hi, how are you today?"
If you panic and say, yes, don't worry, we will fix that today.
Okay, first phrase. "Hi, I'm good, thanks. How are you?"
Simple, natural, perfect. Or if you want to sound even more relaxed, "Hey, I'm doing great, thanks."
Or if you are sleepy and you need coffee to survive, "Hi, I'm okay, just need some coffee."
Baristas understand this. They have seen things. Coffee shop morning people are basically zombies.
Yes, 90% of people ordering coffee before 9 a.m. have no soul yet. It is still loading?
Mine is always stuck at 4%. Need more caffeine.
Okay, back to English phrases. When the barista says, "What can I get for you?" you can answer with, "I'd like a, please? Can I get a, please? Could I have a, please?"
These three are the most natural phrases in the whole coffee universe. If you only remember these, you can order anything like a pro.
Let's practice ordering different coffees. 1. Latte. "I'd like a latte, please."
Or, can I get a large latte?
2. Cappuccino.
Could I have a cappuccino with extra foam?
Fancy. 3. Americano. "Can I get an Americano? Hot, please."
4. Espresso. I'll take a double espresso.
2 shots? Are you okay?
No, but I will be.
5. Mocha. "Could I have a mocha? Not too sweet, please."
6. Iced coffee. Can I get an iced latte? Less ice, please.
Now, in the modern world, people customize everything. Milk, sugar, foam, temperature. You can make a coffee that is basically a science project.
So here are useful phrases. Can I get it with oat milk? Can you make it decaf? Can I have it extra hot? No sugar, please. Can I have 1 pump of vanilla?
1 pump. Not 2, not 3, 1. You are trying to be healthy, but also not too healthy.
Balance.
Coffee shops always have snacks. And if I see a chocolate muffin, I cannot say no.
So here are natural phrases for ordering food. Can I get a chocolate muffin, please? I'd like a croissant. Do you have any sandwiches today? Can I get a slice of banana bread?
And sometimes you want to ask, "What's good?" You can say, "What do you recommend?"
Or, if you're hungry but polite, what's popular today?
Now, imagine the coffee shop is busy, very busy. Like everyone suddenly decided, yes, today we all want coffee at exactly the same time.
And you need to ask for a table. You can say, "Is there a table available? Do you have any seats open? Is anyone sitting there?" if pointing at a table.
Or if you want to sound casual, is it okay if I sit here? Coffee shops are the home of laptop warriors, people working on their dreams or watching cat videos. Respect.
So you might need Wi-Fi. You can ask, "Do you have Wi-Fi? What's the Wi-Fi password? Is the Wi-Fi free?"
And sometimes the Wi-Fi is bad and you want to politely ask, "Is the Wi-Fi working today?"
Translation, "Please, I have work to do."
Coffee goes in, bathroom question comes out. This is the natural law of the universe.
So you can ask, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Do you have a restroom? Is there a toilet I can use?" Informal, but okay.
And always say, thank you. Because if someone helps you find the bathroom, they are basically saving your life.
Okay, time to pay. The barista might ask, "For here or to go? Would you like anything else? Cash or card? Do you need a receipt? What's your name? For the cup."
And you can answer, 1. For here or to go? To go, please. For here, thanks. 2. Cash or card? Card, please. I'll pay with cash. 3. Your nom?
If your name is difficult, give them an easy version. When I say Mr. B, they write Mr. Bean every time.
One time I said my name is Anna and they wrote banana.
Honestly, that's an upgrade.
Excellent point, Mr. B. Let's do a short, funny scene. Imagine Mr. B wants to order a latte. Mini dialogue. Barista. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a large latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Yes.
Hot or iced?
Yes.
Mr. B, you must choose.
My brain is loading. Coffee first, questions later.
Piracy and Gare.
Here are some very polite, natural expressions you can use anywhere. Excuse me. Could you repeat that, please? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. No worries. Take your time. Have a great day.
These phrases make you sound friendly and confident, even if your hair is messy and you spilled coffee on your shirt.
Which is very common. Let's give listeners full examples.
Dialogue 1. Simple and natural. Barista. Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like an iced vanilla latte, please.
What size?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a blueberry muffin.
For here or to go?
For here, thanks.
Great. That'll be $7.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thanks. Your order will be ready soon. Dialogue 2. With questions. Barista. Good afternoon. What can I get for you?
Hi, what do you recommend today?
The mocha is really popular.
Great, I'll try that. Less sweet, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Is the Wi-Fi working today?
Yes, the password is Coffee Love.
Awesome. And, where's the bathroom?
Just behind you to the left.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Dialogue 3. Busy coffee shop. Next in line.
Hi, could I have a cappuccino with oat milk?
Oat milk. No problem. What size?
Small, please.
Anything else?
Yes, is there a table available?
There's one in the corner.
Great, thanks. When you leave the coffee shop, you can say, thanks, have a nice day.
See you next time.
Take care.
Or if you were already super caffeinated, bye, like a rocket.
Yes. Too much coffee energy.
All right, friends, that was today's episode. Now you know how to order coffee, snacks, ask questions, pay, and survive in a real coffee shop.
And you'll sound natural, confident, and friendly. No more panic ordering.
Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you for hanging out with us.
Go enjoy a good cup of coffee.
Or 2.
Or 3. No judgment here.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.